The BMW i8 is the sports car of the future in the showrooms of today. The 2+2-seater has been a technological pioneer and the world's best-selling hybrid sports car since it arrived in 2014. Now in 2018 it is joined by a new model that adds further allure to the arena of sustainable driving pleasure. The all-new BMW i8 Roadster takes the combination of emissions-free and high-performance motoring and adds open-top thrills. It is unique in offering such performance and silent acceleration with the pure sensation of roof-down driving. The BMW i8 Roadster, two-seater trail-blazing concept turned reality. First shown as a concept car back at the Beijing Motor Show in 2012, the BMW i8 concept Spider showed what a roofless version of the, as yet, unlaunched i8 Coupe might look like. It too featured clever packaging and dihedral doors despite the design challenges of not having a fixed roof. Jump forward to 2018 and much of that striking original concept car has been retained in this finished vehicle. From innovative packaging of the roof, through to retaining the iconic doors and maintain the i8 family side profile, something many roadsters and convertibles fail to do when switching from hardtop to soft-top variant. Driver and passenger in the all-new BMW i8 Roadster will look up to find either the open sky or a high-quality, all-season fabric soft top with high-level soundproofing. All-electric operation ensures the roof opens or closes in an almost silent hush, within 15 seconds and while traveling at up to 31 miles per hour. This makes the i8 Roadster the BMW with the fastest opening roof across all the company's models. The BMW i8 Roadster is unique in offering a fabric soft top which stows into a perpendicular position in the rear when opened. This allows for far better packaging and day-to-day practicality. The three segments of the roof fold vertically in a Z shape, thus taking up very little space and leaving an additional 100 liters of storage capacity between the roof box and the seats. This is in addition to the 88 liters of cargo space in the rear compartment. Opening the roof raises the rear window automatically by around 30 mm, reducing air turbulence inside the cabin and ensuring passengers can enjoy the pleasure of open-top driving with minimal disturbance. The driver can adjust the height of the window at the touch of a button and control airflow as desired. Intelligent, lightweight design and innovative production technology play a key role in the car's construction. For example, aluminum elements connecting the roof with the body of the car are produced via a new 3D printing process. This manufacturing method breaks new ground in the industry and allows the parts to be produced in a geometric form, which would not be possible using conventional casting techniques. The framework was provided by the new Life Drive vehicle architecture for BMW i models, whose horizontally split structure comprising an aluminium chassis and a CFRP passenger cell offers an exceptional degree of design freedom. The new i8 Roadster translates the BMW i design language to another vehicle concept, fusing the proportions of the i8 with signature Roadster features to give it a character all of its own. The C-pillars are adorned with beautifully made model-specific badges bearing the inscription Roadster. A similar logo can be found on the tail of the sporty two-seater. The design cues common to the i8 Coupe also appear on the BMW i8 Roadster and include dihedral doors that open forwards and upwards as well as optimized aerodynamics. The low bonnet, the BMW kidney grille, air flap control system, air curtains in the front apron, sealed underbody, contoured side skirts, stream flow lines of the car's flanks, and air ducts between the rear lights and roof frame allow the air to be channeled extremely effectively.